This is our Jasmine Retractable Brow Pencil. This is really cool because it is semi like a crayon. So it's got this tip at the end. It is retractable, so you don't have to sharpen it, just one twist and it's perfect and ready to go. It's fully equipped with a spoolie on the end, so you can brush it through for a natural look. I'm just gonna pop it through my brows now. So I'm going to concentrate my brow product on the ends of my brow as it's a bit sparse because I do have little chickenpox scars on my brows. So the hair doesn't grow there. So I'm just going to be popping some pencil through this section and down the tail of my brow like so, just to even it up a little bit and balance it. And then I'm going to be popping some in the inner section as well, where it's a little bit more sparse. This is really great to line your brows if you want to grab some definition, and then you can go through and fill in any sparse areas. And there you are. Very easy to blend, very easy to use. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in taupe, dark brown, and chocolate. And this color that I have used on my brows is chocolate.